Thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel, Visage One Studios. My name is Joanna Petitfrere, makeup artist and photographer, and thank you for watching my glam makeup tutorial featuring CoverGirl's full spectrum collection. Please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the button below to get the latest notifications on my new makeup videos and beauty tips. Let's get started. I start my makeup by doing my eyebrows first. I believe a clean brow helps to frame the face and gives the makeup a cleaner and complete look. Using the MAC Cosmetic Eyebrow Pencil Spike, I start filling in my brows with small strokes following the natural pattern of my eyebrow hair growth. I start from the middle to the end, and I fill in the beginning of my eyebrows with softer and lighter strokes. Next, I will be applying the MAC Cosmetics Pro Long Wear Paint Laying Low as an eyeshadow base. Apply the eyeshadow base under the brows and on the lids. An eyeshadow base creates the barrier between the skin and product. It also helps to concentrate the eyeshadow's true colors and helps absorb excess oil on the lid that prevents the eyeshadow from fading or moving. Next, I'll be using the Full Spectrum Contour and Correct Expert Cream Palette from CoverGirl. This all-in-one contour makeup palette has 8 cream shades for neutralizing, contouring, highlighting, and balancing pigmentation. I'm applying it on the top of the eyeshadow base to neutralize and warm the color. Next, I'll be using the CoverGirl Full Spectrum So Saturated Eyeshadow Palette F115 Zodiac. First, place the frosty highlight color in the inner corners of the eyelids. Then apply the gold color on the middle part of the eyelids. Lastly, put the copper color on the end part of the lids. Next, I'll be using the Absolute Strobing and Shading Highlight Contour Palette. Apply the warm nude color under the brows to the middle crease of the lids. Make sure you blend the focus color and the warm nude color evenly in the crease to create the soft transition between the two colors. Next, I'll be using the CoverGirl Full Spectrum So Saturated Eyeshadow Palette Reference. Apply the warm brown color to the corner crease of the lid. Apply the deeper brown shade on top of the warm brown on the outer corners of the lid to darken and deepen the appearance of the crease. Sweep and blend the remaining colors across the eyelid crease to blend. Next, I'll be using the CoverGirl Full Spectrum Contour and Correct Expert Cream Palette. Use the light yellow color to brighten and correct discoloration under the eyes. Apply the warm brown or the color close to your skin tone on top to neutralize the color. Apply the same color on your chin if you have discoloration in that area as well. Next, I'll be using the CoverGirl Full Spectrum Primer Matte Ambition. Apply the primer on the T-zone or area that needs oil control and smoothness. Using the CoverGirl Full Spectrum Contour and Correct Expert Cream Palette, apply the warm concealer on top of the brows to shape and define them more. Next, I'll be using the CoverGirl Full Spectrum Matte Ambition Foundation Tan Golden FS325. Apply the tan golden to the T-zone to brighten the center of the face. Next, I'll be using the CoverGirl Full Spectrum Matte Ambition Foundation Deep Cool FS 400. Apply the Deep Cool to the outer sides of the face to frame and neutralize the brightness and overall skin tone. Next, I'm going to use the CoverGirl Full Spectrum Matte Ambition All Day Powder Foundation for setting powder. First, I'm going to apply the medium color under my eyes to set the concealer and on my T-zone. Next, I'll be using the color Tan Deep Cool. I apply it on my chin, on my forehead, and my cheeks to help blend and neutralize the overall color of my skin tone. This powder has a matte finish that creates a natural smooth finish that reduces shine. Next, I'm going to contour and add warmth to my skin tone by using the color Deep 3 Cool FS 430. I applied the warm brown on both sides under my lashes and under my cheekbones and on my chin and forehead and down both sides of my nose to create the illusion of shadows. Next, I'll be using the CoverGirl Full Spectrum Sculpt Expert Rose Rush FS 300. Similar to a bronzer, blush creates an effect of a healthy glow, putting a natural warmth back on your cheeks. Apply the blush on top of both of your cheekbones. Next, I'll be applying the highlighter. The highlighter creates the illusion of light to accentuate and define certain features. I apply the highlighter down the center of my nose, on my upper cheekbones, and on the center of my lip. Next, I'll be using the Maybelline Lasting Gel Eyeliner Blackest Black. I start to apply a thin line close to my lash line. Then I extend the liner to a fine point up and outward on the outer part of my lid, creating a cat eye look. Next, I'll be using the CoverGirl Full Spectrum Defining Moment FS 125 Deep Purple Eyeliner. I applied the liner to my lower lid in my waterline and on my outer lash line. Using the CoverGirl Full Spectrum Palette ZODIAC, I go back with the deep purple and apply it under my lashes to brighten the purple liner. Next, I'll be using the CoverGirl Exhibitionist Waterproof Very Black Mascara. This volumizing mascara helps to define, lengthens, and separates the lashes. Apply the mascara on the top and bottom lashes. Next, I'll be using the CoverGirl Get In Line Liquid Liner Major Matte Black. Apply the liquid liner on top of the gel liner to help darken and sharpen the appearance of the wing liner. This liner has a contour grip for easy holding and an extra fine tip for the perfect precision. Next, I'll be using the Maybelline Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer Eyebrow Gel. Starting in the inner brow and ending at the brow tail, apply mascara in short upward strokes, creating the look of a groomed brow. Next, I'll be using my makeup line Visage One Cosmetics Lip Liner Shiraz. Outline the lips starting at the center of the mouth on both the upper and lower lip line. Visage One Cosmetic Lip Liner is long-wearing, transfer-proof, and wears up to 7 hours. Next, I'll be applying the CoverGirl Full Spectrum Gloss Idol Why Not. Apply directly onto the center of the lips, then apply it on the upper and bottom part of your lips where you place the lip liner and blend. Next, apply the CoverGirl Full Spectrum Gloss Believe Me. Apply the Believe Me color on top of the Why Not color on your bottom and on the upper lip, creating a warm, soft pink color. To apply my lashes, I'll be using the Kiss Strip Eyelash Adhesive. Apply a medium coat of the eyelash glue on the lash strip. Place the eyelashes as close as you can above your natural lashes and make sure you squeeze them together to create an even blend. The final look. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to comment below and share with me what other makeup tutorials you would love for me to create. Press the thumbs up, the subscribe, and the bell button to get the notifications on my newest pro makeup tutorials and insider beauty tips. My baby daughter Zoe and I want to thank you for watching my makeup tutorial on my YouTube channel, Visage One Studios. And make sure you follow Visage One Studios on Instagram. Bye for now!